How to permanently delete contacts from Google account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete contacts from Google account. Without further ado, let's get started. So the steps that I'm going to show you can be done through the Google app right here. If you have that, just open that. Or if you don't have that, we can also use Safari right here. So I'm just going to use Safari for a more general approach to this, which everyone can follow from their iPhone or Android devices. So from your Safari or any browser you have on your phone, just search on any Google right here, just google.com. So once you have signed in and selected that certain account you want to delete contacts from, just click on this icon on your Google account icon at the top right corner right here of the site and click on Manage Your Google Account. After that, as you can see, we have many tabs right here. Let's just swipe to the left so we can see more options on the right side. So just click on People and Sharing right here and click on Contacts. You should have this section right here that says Contacts. Just click on Contacts like that. And as you can see, I have these contacts right here, so I'm not sure why that looks like that. But if you want to delete a certain contact, if you just want to delete one contact, just click on that certain contact on their name and click on this three dotted button right here and click on Delete. However, if you want to delete all the contacts from this list, just click on a specific profile icon right here. For example, click on the profile icon and click on this option right here, that drop down or the triangle that is pointing down, and click on All. So that should select all the contacts from your list, and click on this three dotted icon right here and you should have the option to delete. So just click on that and delete the selected contacts. And so that is how you can basically permanently delete contacts from your Google account. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.